So you get a pilot light, right?
Yes,
Okay.
but not the LED light.
No LED. Okay, so I got an LED. So it's probably not your valve because it kicked in.
Okay. So when you connect the power, the LED flash?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I got a little box that I use. It's got a battery with a resistor, a 10 ohm resistor, and that knocks it down to less than a volt, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's enough to power the valve.
Nice.
Yeah, it helps. It helps diagnose. So it might be the valve. Well, maybe I should wait on that screw. I'll put the screw in anyway. This is the original valve, right? You said?
Yes, it's the original.
Okay. Oh, but you put that one on or you didn't? That's the one you got from me last night.
Yes,
right?
yes. I put this, but without this.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
fine.
I put the bore and the valve.
And it was the same problem?
Yeah.
The same problem? Okay. Alright, so I think because sometimes you can you can measure the thermopile voltage, especially with this particular water heater, and it'll look fine. It'll tell you the millivolts and all that. It'll look fine, and then the board doesn't come up, right? And then the board doesn't come up, and it's just like something weird's going on, and it has to do with the wiring. There's like something in the wiring when you connect it. Like there's a loose wire or something.
Yeah.
Can't guarantee you that's what it is, but sometimes there's a loose wire. And I've run into a lot of those. I had like 3 of those in a row one time where I was measuring it and everything seemed fine, and then eventually I just put a different burner assembly in and that took care of it. So just in the interest of fixing this like as fast as possible for you, that's what I'm going to try. Because I don't want to waste a bunch of time going through all that. Which is supposed to be low thermopile voltage.
Yeah.
But I see that a lot when the valves are bad. So when the valves will go bad and you'll get like a false code 2, kind of is what I call it. So it could be that the valve is bad. Oh, I gotta clean that stuff. Try this, but it came up fine. It came up initially. It came up fine, and then I threw the tester back in it, and it flashed twice. So maybe the voltage on my batteries is finally wearing down.
Yeah.
So it's hard to know exactly what it is. Don't you sell cars? Isn't that what you do?
Before.
Oh, you don't do
Not
that
anymore.
anymore?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I lost a lot of money.
Oh man, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I got bad cars. I still have some
Yeah.
repair, but
Yeah.
I saw trailers, RVs.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
but with the rain, it's hard to me to repair. I do it in my spare time.
Yeah, sound like me. I do
Yeah.
water heaters in my spare time, and I can't work when it rains. So I like sunny days.
Yeah.
The rain's killer. So funny.
There you go.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, so yeah, hard to say what it was. I would probably keep that valve as a backup, just in case this happens to you again. If it starts flashing 2 on you again, we can test the voltage on this one just to see where it's at. Because I have, I have no idea. Just to get an idea. Okay. So this one's pretty good. This one is 645.
Okay.
646, so that's pretty good.
All right.
They say anything over 300 millivolts is healthy, but 300 millivolts is like the threshold for failure, so you don't want to be 1 millivolt over that.
Yeah, this was about 700 millivolts, but maybe when connected to the motherboard, there is no voltage.
Yeah,
So-
it might be draining it.
Yeah,
Something could be going on.
Yeah, so maybe it's the thermal thing.
Yeah, could be something in the wiring, could be the thermopile. Usually if you're able to get the voltage to come out of those connectors, you're fine, but yeah, it's hard to say. It's hard to say. Like I said, I ran into a bunch of those one time. And there you go. Yeah, that's what you want right there, right?
Yeah.
So